Welcome to this technical guide on the Dell XPS. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dell XPS won't turn on, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue may arise due to a faulty power adapter, a dead battery, or even internal hardware failures. If left unaddressed, these problems can lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly down the line. To begin, you will need a few tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. This will help prevent any static damage to the components. First, ensure the device is powered off and unplugged. Carefully remove the back panel using your Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip the screws. As you lift the panel, you may want to use the spudger to gently pry it open without damaging the casing. Once the back panel is removed, locate the battery, which is usually situated near the bottom of the device. Disconnect the battery carefully by unclipping the connector with your fingers or the spudger. If the battery is swollen or showing any signs of damage, it is best to replace it. To do this, unscrew the battery from its compartment and remove it. When inserting the new battery, make sure it fits snugly, and reattach the connector securely. Now, if your issue is related to the power adapter, inspect the port for any debris or damage. Use a can of compressed air to clean out any dust. If the adapter itself is faulty, you may need to replace it as well. Once everything is securely connected, replace the back panel of the device and screw it back in place, ensuring that all screws are tightened properly but not over-tightened to avoid damage. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure you use a surge protector when charging your device, and avoid using it in extreme temperatures. Regularly check and clean the ports to prevent dust buildup. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.